Hi everyone! Ayan, mag-hiking daw kami. Pakita ko muna yung aming location. Yan. Diyan kami galing. Ayan yung location namin. So, ito ang mga kasama ko. Oh, this park is so boring. There.
Nothing much interesting.
Nothing much in, yeah.
Nothing much interesting
Oh, dear.
unless you have to do this steps.
No.
Don't you know we exercises with Tasha there every day? Almost every day, yeah. Actually, I was the one who's hanging those ones, and Tasha does the
Step.
steps.
Probinsyang probinsya. Yan. Nice. Yan. Dito.
Who else? Regine. Yeah.